welcome back to Roisa's channel. Today we're gonna make ice creams, but we're gonna make ice creams with cherries, bananas, blueberries, milk, and honey. So now the first thing we're gonna pour, we're gonna start with the biggest one all the way to the smallest one. So we don't know what to do with these. Well, okay, it's randomly. Okay, so they're like this. I think there's like the bananas are in the mixer now, and we got the cherries, the mostly for summer. Oh my gosh. Now I can pour the milk. We have to be very, very gentle, or else it will. Oh my gosh, I don't have a good hand for this milk. Okay, so I can't do this. So we're gonna get the mixture in. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it. Oh, that's why I told you. But it's still good. We're gonna just wait. Okay. And final one, the honey. But we don't know how to do it because it's stuck. So, extra tape. Okay. Now we're gonna pour the honey. And, oh my gosh. It's kind of freezing in there. It's not coming out. Okay, I think this is all. This is all I got. So, okay, so now we're gonna put on the tap on, and now we're gonna put it back over here. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna, oh my gosh. I'm stronger than this. Okay, anyways. So oh my gosh, the color. It's too loud for you. That's why I told you by the app. Okay, so now we emptied all the things that were here, but now we are finally gonna pour it in. So, you know, there's 3 missing. But the last time I made ice cream, I didn't finish them all, and they're still filled up. But now we're gonna open. Oh my gosh! Oh, we're gonna open this and this one. Oh my gosh! Let's let that over here for the moment. Okay, so you know I'm pouring and like this. Yeah, because that's more easy to do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I made a bit of a mess, but my my mom helped me with this one too. Like, this was supposed to be a bit higher, but who cares, right? And so my mom filled this. These are the ones that I filled, but aren't as good as my mom's. And so you see that this is here, right? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe to eat it, of course. So now we're gonna put it in the freezer, and I'm gonna go to swim with my dad. So a few hours this will be done, and when I come home, these are ready. So, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Is my specialty.